Hi and welcome to a little tutorial about how to use App Inventor to make a super simple game. So to create a game, we're going to click up here on Create. But firstly, I'll just show you this website here that I'm on, and I will try to put this link somewhere you can get at it, because what this is actually the tutorial that I'm about to show you. And it also has on it, near the top, two files, which are the download ones you need to download to make this game. So anyway, we've clicked on Create, and it's taken us to, oh no, there's the game that's already finished. Hang on, I'd better go back to start new project. Oh, shush, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Meow number 2. Come on, come on. Okay, this is what you should be seeing. Sorry, I accidentally showed you the finished product. That's no good. Okay, so firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to just put a picture on the screen of a cat, just because we can. So I drag I've got down here user interface over here, and that little picture called image, and I've just dragged it and dropped it over there. And when I have it selected, over here I can edit its attributes. And one of the things I want to edit is to change it to actually look like a cat, not like a weird little square. So I'm going to go to this components one, scroll down and go upload file, choose file, and I've already downloaded the two files from the App Inventor website and saved them. So this is one of them that I need, and it's called Meow, so I'm going to go OK, and that's just the sound file. And the other one that I need is the picture of the cat, which is that one there. Click open, go OK. Now they should be both somehow saved inside this website. So I'm going to go back up, and now I have to link that little picture I've got on the screen with the actual cat picture, and here it is. So I've clicked on the picture of the cat, the file name of the picture of the cat, and I go OK, and there's my cat picture. Now I need a button to click on when I want the cat to meow, so I'm going to go over to the left menu, click on that picture called button, and drag it and drop it somewhere on my little pretend screen. And I don't want it to say text for button 1, so over here on the right hand side I'm scrolling down, and where it says text for button 1 I'm going to change that to click here, except I might spell click correctly, wouldn't hurt. Click here. Okay, now that I click away from it and my button writing has changed. Okay, now I need to actually, I need one last thing, that's the sound that's going to happen, and for that one I'll close, no I can't close that little menu. I'm going to go down to media and click on media, and then I'm going to grab this player one, drag it and drop it onto my screen. It doesn't actually show up on the screen, but I know it's there because it shows underneath. And over here I have player 1 selected, but I have to tell it what I want it to play. So I go over here to where it says source, and I'm going to choose Meow MP, which is an MP3 file, and go OK. And then I need to actually do the programming to make something happen, and for that I go up here to blocks, and at the moment nothing happens, but I'm going to get it that when button 1, I click on button 1, and then I grab when button 1 is clicked. That's what that means. Then I think I need something to happen with player 1, so I'm going to go player 1 start, drag it over and put it inside that little loop. All that's saying is when button 1's clicked, play player 1. Now I'm going to go back to my screen because that's all the programming I need for this game. I don't think it will work. No, it doesn't work on the actual screen. So this is where I need to test it, either on my phone or on the emulator, which is like a little pretend phone you can have running on your screen. Now I haven't got the emulator downloaded yet. There it is downloading there but on the school computers it is already there. It's a wee bit tricky to get it up and running, but I can show you how to when I see you next. In the meantime, I'll get it showing on my actual screen. So I'm going to go connect AI companion. That's where you'd connect if you had the emulator on your computer, but I've got an app on my phone that I downloaded from the App Inventor website. I've been using it before, so normally you can just click on that, but because I was using it earlier I have to kind of wake it up again. So I'm going to go up here to AI companion, and it gives me this little picture which I will scan with the app on my phone, and just bear with me while I do that. And then once it's working, I should be able to just click. Hang on, what's it doing? No, I've just got to scan it properly because it's not doing its thing. Scan QR code. You guys can't see me, but I'm actually pointing my phone camera at the screen, and it's copying that little barcode. Oh, did you hear that? It works. It plays meow when I click the button. Now I need to give it a name, and so I'm going to go save project as, although we named the project at the start. Hopefully you did. If you hadn't for some reason, you'd go save project as, and that is your first app. I guess the next step, once you've made the basic one, is to extend it by adding more than one sound, more than one picture, more than one button. Try making it a bit more complex and do a few more things. I hope that works. See you later.